My name's the Life of Sky. Here you'll find everything from cars and silver, maybe a little gold, but most of all you'll see a happy soul. New toolbox I just picked up. I need to take it out and clean it up though. But once I clean it up, it'll be pretty nice. Polish up the metal again. Made out of solid steel. There we go, don't want to dent up my ring. Adds a little bit of extra weight for the snow. Oh man, is this thing heavy. And it locks too, so that's pretty cool. This has 2 cup holders, lock-in drawers, steel drawer lining, so it's a pretty nice one. Got it for a fair price. Alright guys, this is the before video of a new toolbox that I just got. Craftman. Show you how dirty it is. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. Once winter passes, I'm going to clean it up and do another video. I might even do it before winter's over if I get bored. I was cleaning the top off a little bit. But it's nice and solid. I love it. The wheels lock. Everything works great. The drawers come out great. Everything seems real sturdy, so it's pretty awesome. I picked this up for $75. And according to some guys that I asked, I think new it's a little over 200, something like that. But I think it's going to clean up real nice. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.